So let's take a look at the basics of how to get into and begin working on your identity page in Foliotek. So this is probably where you're going to be starting from. And to get to the identity page, you click on the icon in the top black bar for the ID page. So let's go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up our identity page editor. So it's from this screen where we can make all of our modifications. Let's sort of walk through all the functions of this particular screen. The most visual thing on this page is going to be the content area for your identity page. So here we can modify your name. You can modify the description, your elevator pitch per se, who you are, the most important 500 characters you can write on your ID page. You can modify your profile image. This is where you're going to tag your identity page with skill sets that are the key skill sets demonstrating who you are and your capabilities. You can showcase badges you've earned, micro-credentials on your identity page. You can curate and showcase projects, which are a unique Foliotek object. And we have other videos on creating projects, but this is where you would go to curate and add those projects into your identity page. This area is where you would go to add your schooling. What was your education? Did you have multiple degrees, just an individual or one degree, a bachelor's, what have you? This is where you go to add that. You can add in links to other affiliate components, so links to a blog per se, or your university, or maybe you have a really rich website you've developed. You can upload your resume, and that's where that would fit inside of your identity page, as well as your work experience, work history. So maybe you have some significant work history that you want to identify on your identity page. The bottom bar of your content area here on your identity page is where you provide other individuals the ability to contact you. This is something you can turn on and turn off that we'll go through in subsequent videos. And you can also highlight other social media accounts that you want to provide your target audience with the ability to connect to. So in this case, Mr. Stevens is connecting to his Twitter account, his LinkedIn account, and he must also have a YouTube account. So if a user were to navigate to his ID page and click on any of those, it would take them to those respective social applications. Additionally, as a part of the identity page, some additional functions, the ability to share it in social. So I could click on this little icon and it allows me to share it. I could preview it. So I would use this icon in the top right to preview what this is going to look like. And the final, probably most important aspect outside of the content area is this toolbar here on the left. This allows me to make all the modifications and actually edit all of the components of my content area, including my background for my identity page. And we'll go through a number of tutorials that deal with each one of these particular icons.